Attention is what lets a language model connect every word to every other word, but that power has a cost. It grows with the square of the sequence length. At 1,000,000 tokens, that is brutal. MoBA, or mixture of block attention from Moonshot AI, fixes this by borrowing an idea from mixture of experts. In this video, the long context problem, what MoBA is, how it works, its architecture, how it compares, and when to use it. Start with the pain. In standard attention, every query token looks at every key in the context. Double the context and you roughly quadruple the work. That quadratic blow-up is why long context is so expensive in both compute and memory. But here is the intuition MoBA leans on. For most queries, only a small slice of the whole history actually matters. So why pay to attend to all of it? MoBA's answer is to apply the mixture of experts idea to attention itself. It splits the context into fixed blocks of tokens and lets each query attend to only a few of them instead of all. A lightweight gate picks which blocks matter for that query. Critically, it is a seamless switch. Turn the gate wide open and MoBA behaves exactly like full attention, so nothing about the model breaks. Here is the workflow. First, chop the key value context into blocks, say 512 tokens each. For each query, compute a relevant score to every block by comparing the query against that block centroid, the mean of its keys. A parameter-free top K gate then keeps only the few highest scoring blocks. Finally, attention is computed over just those selected tokens, not the whole sequence. Look closer at the mechanism. The gate is the router. It scores each block cheaply using centroids, then selects the top K. Two rules keep it correct. First, causality. A query can never attend to future blocks. Second, the current block, the one holding the query itself, is always selected and gets a proper causal mask. Historical blocks and the current block are computed separately, then combined. How does this compare to full attention? Full attention is dense. Every query touches every key, maximally expressive but quadratic and slow at long range. MoBA is sparse. Each query touches only its top blocks, so cost scales far more gently. And because MoBA is trained this way, not bolted on afterward, it keeps quality close to full attention while doing a fraction of the work. MoBA is not alone. It sits in a small family of trainable sparse attention methods from early 2025. Native sparse attention, from DeepSeek, uses a hierarchical mix of compression, selection, and a sliding window, tuned tightly to the hardware. MoBA is deliberately simpler. One mixture of expert-style top K gate over blocks, a near drop-in change to standard attention that is easy to adopt. The numbers are the point. On a Llama 3 model scaled to long context, MoBA reaches up to a 6.5 times speedup when profilling 1,000,000 tokens, and around 16 times at 10 million, versus full flash attention. At 8,000 tokens with over 80% sparsity, its validation loss stays within 1,000th of the full attention baseline. Big savings, almost no quality lost. Where does MoBA shine? Long context everything. Whole codebase understanding, book-length documents, long chat histories, and agents that carry huge working memories. It already powers Kimi's long context requests in production. And because you can flip between sparse and full attention, teens use full attention for short prompts and switch MoBA on exactly when the context gets long. In code, the reference implementation makes it almost a drop-in. You register MoBA with a config that sets the block, or chunk, size and the top K value, then load your model with the MoBA attention backend. From there you train or generate as usual. Under the hood, each query now attends to only its top few key value blocks instead of the entire sequence. So when should you reach for MoBA? Use it when your workloads are genuinely long context, when profil and memory are your bottleneck, and when you can train or fine-tune with it in the loop. Think twice if your sequences are short, where dense attention is already cheap and the gate just adds overhead, or if you need a purely training-free patch on a frozen model. Let's recap. Standard attention is quadratic, which makes long context painfully expensive. MoBA applies the mixture of experts idea to attention, split context into blocks, and let a top K gate route each query to only the few blocks that matter. It preserves causality, switches seamlessly to full attention, cuts costs dramatically at long range, and already runs in production inside Kimi. That is MoBA in a nutshell, attention that learns to look only where it needs to. If this made block sparse attention, click follow for more plain English Gen AI breakdowns, and save this to revisit when you are wrestling with long context cost.